Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Shiba token. Friends, a lot of people personally message me on Instagram, on Telegram, that when will Shiba goes to hit a $1 friends. I decide to make a for my for my subscriber, then when will Shiba goes to hit a $1 friends. Absolutely, that's not a big target for Shiba token, as you already know about the price, about the quick jumps of the Shiba token, that Shiba is the fastest cryptocurrencies in the market at this time, friends. So friends, before starting this interesting video, I request all of you, if you are new in my channel, so please I request all of you that please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. I know you all of my friends and you subscribe my channel, so that is why I'm told you thank you so much, friends. Let's see, my friends, the first of all the price of the Shiba at this time, and after that we decide that when will the goes to hit a $1. 0.00010 USD dollar is the currently price of the Shiba. On the other side, if you look the 24 hours price change is okay in the Shiba, so negative 22.42% the price is going fast down in the 24-hour, friends. I know at this time the price is going down, but that's not mean that the Shiba cannot hit a $1, friends. Absolutely, they can easily hit a $1, friends. Same like that, if we look the 24 hours trading volume, so approximately 3 million, approximately 31 million 24 lakh 241 lakh and 20,000 holders are at this time holding the volume as going and increase. Absolutely, that's a good news, and that is the great success of the Shiba, friends. Let me show you the price of the Shiba. You can easily understand that once again the Shiba start moving upward, as you can see here. In the previous last 1 week the Shiba price is going fast down, but as you can see here at this time the price is going fast down, but that's not mean. Let me show you, friends, the last 30 days price chart of the Shiba to easily understand that when will they go hit a $1, friends. And again, I'm telling you now the chart is loading, so if you don't subscribe, so please I request all of you, please my friends, click the subscribe button and like this video. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much, friends. Oh my god, this time the chart is loading. Whoa, absolutely a big jump so in the Shiba. I really like to, as you can see here, a biggest jump so in the Shiba now, but unfortunately in the last week they fast down, friends, as you can see here. So friends, just imagine if this kind of change continue in Shiba for a 1 week. So I think that is not so far, then they goes to hit a $1, friends. If this kind of changes continue in the Shiba for a 1 week, friends. And now as you can see, they currently they are again start jumping. The last 2-hour pricing as positive, so now they again start jumping, friends. So I hope that this jump will be continuously jump of the Shiba token, friends. My friends, if Shiba token continuously at the average jumps at this time, if the Shiba token start jumping 20% positive changes occur in the Shiba in the 24 hours, so I think they can easily hit a $1 in the last of 2021, friends. That's my target, that's my prediction about Shiba token, that Shiba token is going to hit a $1 in the last of 2021, friends. What's your opinion? What's your prediction about Shiba? Please also share in the comment box, and kind of don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.